In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix peaks in Audacity step by step. Peaks can make your audio sound harsh or distorted, so it's important to reduce them for a cleaner and more professional sound. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more easy editing tips and tricks. To begin, let's make sure your audio track is loaded in Audacity. Once you've got your track on screen, take a moment to look at the waveform. You might notice some areas where the peaks of the waveform, those parts that stand out at the top and bottom, are particularly high. These are the peaks we want to soften to improve your audio. To start working on this, you'll want to select the section of the audio to be adjusted. You can do this by highlighting a specific part, or if you're looking to adjust the entire track, simply press Ctrl+A or Command+A if you're on a Mac, and that will select everything for you. Now with your audio selected, head over to the Effect menu located at the top of the Audacity window. Once there, hover over Volume and Compression. You'll notice an option labeled Amplify. Go ahead and click on that to open up the Amplify settings window. This is where we'll make our adjustments to tame those unruly peaks. In the Amplify settings window, there's a particular adjustment we're going to focus on, the New Peak Amplitude setting. Here, you'll want to set the value to around 10 dB. This choice is quite effective for smoothing out the peaks without causing distortion to your audio, all while maintaining a balance in sound. Once you're satisfied with this setting, click OK to apply these changes to your selected audio. Take a moment now to examine your waveform again. You should notice a visible reduction in the peaks. This, of course, contributes to a more balanced and polished sound. It's a good idea to play back your audio at this point to listen to the difference. Do you hear the smoother sound? Great! However, if you feel the audio could still use a bit more refining, don't worry. You can simply repeat this process. Adjust the dB level slightly as needed until you find the sweet spot that sounds just right to your ears. And there you have it. You have now successfully reduced the peaks in Audacity. A few simple steps, and your audio is already sounding more professional and pleasing to listen to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.